Now, for cancer, autoimmune disorders and for obesity, I am advocating uncooked diet, in which today I am going to show peanut paste. Once they consume this paste, 2 to 3 hours, they do not get any angriness. Secondly, I am telling you, those who are having diabetes along the cancer, once they see these ingredients, my God, this banana, it's the highly sugars, and again dates, it's the sugars, like that they think. But it's not so. Basically, for sugar patients, the main thing which not supposed to be eat, cereals like rice, wheat, jawar and all, that has to be consumed less than 25%. Here, those who are having cancer with diabetes, in 1 month they will see the sea changes in their body. So now in this process, soaked peanuts, dates and 2 banana. Now I will show you how to prepare. It is simply mixing with a mixer and making a paste. I will show you. Now I am taking 2 banana chopped ones, and 3 tablespoons soaked peanuts, and 2 big sized dates, chopped dates, and if it is small, one has to use 3 to 4 or 5, and little water. Now I have pasted, and you see the paste. This is peanut paste. Now you see it, it's so delicious and so powerful, medicinal valued, uncooked breakfast, peanut paste.